We had a interesting Friday last week. This was an opportunity where we had a discussion on how can managers become magnets for talent. And it's just not us at Global Coaching Lab. We had two great leaders who were contributing to the conversation. The first leader was Shrikant Arimanithaya, who's a global talent leader for Ernst & Young Global Delivery Services. And we also had Philippe Rosinski, who's part of Thinkers 50, who's an author of 2 books. And we had all of them contributing through this 1-hour discussion. At least personally for me, I had 3 or 4 takeaways. The first takeaway for managers to become magnets for talent is to look at values. In fact, values are the foundation that describes who you truly are, and those values come as a result of those experiences that you have and the beliefs that you hold. And those values translate into your behaviors, actions, and results. The second element that came out very clearly was about perspectives. The best managers who attract talent are the ones who are able to look at life and its possibilities through multiple perspectives, whether it be the physical perspective of strength, endurance, flexibility, or through the managerial perspective of flexibility to different situations, the psychological perspective of understanding people and psychology, or perhaps even the cultural perspective of looking at appreciating differences and finding a vocabulary to describe differences, more importantly, to sequence those differences. Very importantly, the political perspective as to how you can engage in constructive politics. And finally, the spiritual perspective, which is all about discovering your larger purpose and aligning to the organizational purpose. The third interesting thing, in addition to values and perspectives and purpose, the third interesting thing is all about mindsets, where I think my takeaway is how do people move away from a transactional mindset, which is all about playing not to lose, to a more transformational mindset, which is all about playing to win. And it is these leaders who practice this transformational mindset are the people who are able to attract and retain the best talent. So if you have to remember values, perspectives and purpose and mindsets, that's the mantra for you to have managers who are magnets for talent. Good luck as you think about assessing and developing your managers and leaders to lead with values, to define and leverage perspectives, and to look at building the mindset, which is a transformational and digital mindset. Good luck.